Have you ever dreamed of a banana? Maybe you were holding a bunch, about to eat one, or simply noticed its bright yellow color catching your eye. It might seem like just another fruit, but in the world of dreams, a banana is a surprisingly interesting symbol. So what kind of emotions or hidden messages might your subconscious be trying to share through it? Let's take a closer look together. Seeing bananas in a dream usually has a positive meaning. Bananas represent energy, vitality, and joy. In real life, bananas are both nutritious and a quick source of energy. So in dreams, they often symbolize motivation, creativity, and an increased zest for life. Sometimes, though, a banana can reflect your desire to add more color and excitement to your daily routine. Maybe you've been stuck in the same pattern for too long and are now ready for change. For someone feeling bored or emotionally drained, seeing a banana can mean that it's time to rediscover your inner spark. The color of the banana in your dream can completely shift its message. A ripe, bright yellow banana suggests balance and peace. Things are starting to align in your life, and your efforts are beginning to pay off. A green banana is about impatience. You might be rushing into something before it's ready, or trying to push for results too soon. It's a gentle reminder to slow down and let things mature naturally. A rotten or dark banana represents fatigue, lack of motivation, or delayed goals. It can also mirror emotional burnout. This dream may be nudging you to refresh your mindset and let go of what's no longer helping you grow. Dreaming of eating a banana often reflects a sense of satisfaction and reward. It can mean you're starting to see the results of your hard work and finally enjoying what you've earned. A sweet, delicious banana represents happiness, inner peace, and emotional fulfillment. But a tasteless or spoiled banana might signal unmet expectations or disappointment in some area of your life. This dream can also serve as a reminder to be kind to yourself. Maybe you've been giving too much to others lately. It's time to pause and focus on your own happiness for a change. Sometimes you might see a banana in your dream but never touch or eat it. That often means you recognize an opportunity but haven't taken it yet. Maybe you're unsure or afraid to take a step forward. The banana here symbolizes something that's within reach but untouched. It's your subconscious saying, go for it. Don't let hesitation hold you back. A banana tree in a dream is a powerful symbol of personal growth and prosperity. Since banana trees take time to grow before bearing fruit, this vision suggests patience and the promise of rewards after steady effort. It can also mean you're becoming more aware of your own potential, ready to develop your skills, tap into your creativity, and use your inner strength more fully. Sharing or giving a banana to someone in your dream symbolizes warmth, generosity, and emotional connection. It can show your desire to help or support someone, or that you're open to receiving that same support from others. It's also about strengthening social bonds and emotional openness. In a way, sharing a banana says, I'm here and I want to share my energy with you. Buying bananas in a dream reflects self-worth and the desire to see the results of your efforts. It's about recognizing your hard work and believing you deserve the rewards that come from it. Selling bananas, on the other hand, often represents sharing what you have, your knowledge, your energy, or your creativity, and gaining something in return. It's a reminder that your skills and positivity have real value, both materially and emotionally. When you think of a banana peel, you probably think of slipping, and that's exactly what it symbolizes in dreams. Seeing one can be a warning about paying more attention to small details or tricky situations that might trip you up. It's also a sign not to take things too lightly. Your subconscious may be telling you, stay alert, or you might lose your balance. Emotionally, it can point to unstable feelings or uncertain footing in relationships or decisions. Bananas radiate positive energy by nature, so dreaming of them usually connects to your inner peace, joy, and self-confidence. This dream often carries the message of finding harmony within yourself. If you've been feeling low or drained lately, this symbol appears as a gentle push to recharge, lift your mood, and tap back into your natural optimism. In short, a banana in a dream isn't just a fruit. It's a sign of renewed vitality and creative energy. The banana symbol reminds you of your own life force, joy, and motivation. If it showed up in your dream, it may be signaling the start of a more positive and lively chapter. Remember to find happiness in the small details around you. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. In the next video, we'll dive into more fascinating dream symbols together.